Okay, we're getting ready to take another run at putting the transmission in this truck, and we have a new converter with a low stall speed because...
He said it's better for plowing because it doesn't heat up as bad.
Alrighty, so we'll try this new converter here and see what happens. But before we do anything, we'll count the number of splines. And actually I made a mistake in my last video. This is a 27 splined input shaft. Before we put the converter in, we're going to dump a little training fluid in it.
A little on it.
This is the start with the new setup. Alright, Matt, let's see what happens.
Ready there, coachies?
Where's the brake?
Right here.
In the back? Okay.
Right there, Giver.
Ready?
Yep. Stop. Go look. There you go. Got a hot dog?